This question is from GATE 2013, Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 34. Two cutting tools are being compared for a machining operation. The tool life equations are carbide tool has Vt raised to 1.6 is equal to 3000. HSS tool has V into T raised to 0.6 is equal to 200, where V is the cutting speed in meter per minute and T is the tool life in minutes. The carbide tool will provide higher tool life if the cutting speed in meter per minute exceeds dash. Let's see how this will be done. These are the tool life equations given. Vt raised to 1.6 equal to 3000. This is for carbide tool, and Vt raised to 0.6 equal to 200. This is for HSS tool. Now we see that cutting speed is V for both of them, while tool life can be different. So let's find out the tool life using these equations first and then compare the tool life of carbide tool with HSS tool. So for carbide tool we will have V into T raised to 1.6 is 3000. So we can write T raised to 1.6 is 3000 upon V, and T will be therefore equal to 3000 by V raised to 1 upon 1.6. Because we are taking the power 1 upon 1.6 on both sides, power on the left hand side becomes 1, while on the right hand side it is 1 by 1.6. Let's write it for HSS tools in the similar manner. We have life of HSS tool be TH to the power 0.6 will be 200 upon V. So we can write TH will be 200 upon V to the power 1 by 0.6. Now we have the tool lives, we can compare the two. So we need to have tool life of carbide tool being greater than tool life of HSS tool. So we can write TC should be greater than TH, that is 3000 upon V to the power 1 by 1.6 should be greater than 200 upon V to the power 1 by 0.6. Let's bring V on one side. So we'll have V to the power 1 by 0.6 divided by V to the power 1 by 1.6. Because on the left hand side we already had V in the denominator, we brought this V to the power 1 by 0.6 on the right hand side. This should be greater than, when we rearrange this, we have 200 to the power 1 by 0.6 upon 3000 to the power 1 by 1.6. Now this can be directly calculated in the digital calculator. This comes out to be 45.9. So on the right hand side we have 45.9, while on the left hand side we can subtract the powers of V. Because the base is same, we can take V to the power 1 by 0.6 minus 1 by 1.6. Power of V turns out to be 1.0417. This should be greater than 45.9. So V should be greater than 45.9 to the power 1 upon 1.0417, which is equal to, so this is kind of one term, this comes out to be 39.38. So we should be greater than 39.38 for tool life of carbide tool to be greater than tool life of HSS tool. Let's go back and mark the correct option. So 39.38, which is almost equal to 39.4, is given in option B. Option B is the correct answer. That gives us the cutting speed in meter per minute should exceed 39.4 for the carbide tool to provide higher tool life than the HSS tool. For further details on this topic, you can refer to the NPTEL video Tool Wear and Tool Life Equations from the course Mechanics of Machining. This course is by Professor Uday S. Dikshit. He is from the Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Guwahati. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.